Hello everyone, in this video lecture we'll learn about finite state machine and its definition, deterministic finite state machine and its definition and examples. Coming to finite state machine, which is the simplest and the most efficient computational device that we will consider is the finite state machine, or we can in brief we can term it as FSM, or sometimes it can also be called as FSA, that is finite state automata. Let us understand the definition of finite state machine. Finite state machine or FSM is a computational device whose input is a string and whose output is one of the two values that we can call accept and reject. FSMs are also sometimes called as finite state automata or FSAs. So, this is one machine and whose input will be a string and output will be accept or reject. Let us consider this as a string matching machine. Then input will be some string, and what does this machine string matching will do? Either it will accept if it matches to this, or it will reject. To draw finite state automata or finite state machine, we need to know some of the notations. First of all, start state. Start state is represented this way, and remember arrow is towards this circle says and it should be labeled. Arrow labeled with start is pointing to a circle, is always represents the start state. So, remember in a finite state automata or machine we can have only one start state, and this state need to be labeled. Labeled can be any alphabets, you can use any numbers, or based on your problem statement. Intermediate state can be represented as a circle with a state name here in the label. So, what is accepting state? Again it is a circle, but it is a double circle, you have to specify, need to be labeled again. And remember there can be one or more accepting states in the finite state automata, and remember sometimes start state can also be an accepting state. In that case the circle need to become double circle. Then a state transition is always represented using directed arc like this, and you have to mention here your this directed arc need to be labeled with the input character, one of the input character based on the problem statement. What is deterministic FSM? Deterministic FSM or DFSM, or it can also be called as DFA. M is a DFSM M is a machine, is a quintuple K sigma delta S comma A, where K is a finite state of set of states, sigma is a alphabet, input alphabet. Remember what is input alphabet? It should be these input alphabet characters are part of your string, input string. Delta is the transition function, it maps from state into the input symbol to some state, and then S is a start state. S also belongs to K, remember, and A also part of K is the set of accepting states. Why it is mentioned as set of accepting state? Because there can be more than one accepting state. We will consider a simple example of language L equal to sigma equal to A to recognize A star. So, L equal to, when I say A star, L will be equal to, or language contains at least single A followed by any number of A's. So, single A, at least one A has to be there followed by any number of A's. So, it can be so this language is going to recognize the strings like A and so on. So, let us start write the FSM. So, we have a start state.
So my start state is 1, and since here the minimum length string that language is going to accept is A, so that means the length of that string is 1, so we need to have a 2 states to recognize at least A, and now we need many number of A's. So 1 to 2 A. So this is the maximum number of states we can have for the language. So now I want many A's to be recognized. So single A is done. For many A's you just can have a self loop like this. Self loop you can see in the figure. So this is called a self. So this can take any number of A's. So 1 A is compulsory and followed by that any number of A's. Suppose if it is 2A, I start from state 1, 1A for the second A. So finally where are you going to reach? You are going to reach this 2, state 2, that means it is an accepting state. Remember, so one thing, so every state must take a transition on input or input alphabet, that is A. So 1 has taken on A, taken a transition, 2 also has taken a transition on A. Now let's try to write a quintuple and the transition function. Quintuple for this function, this FSM is M equal to K sigma delta S A. It is K, all the finite set of states of FSM. So we have 2 states, 1 comma 2, and then the alphabet here the machine takes is only 1. This input character, it is going to take only 1 A, and then delta transition function that will write using table. There are 2 methods, one you can write as a sentence and one more you can write as a table. So 1, what is 1? Start state, this is a start state, and 2 is an accepting state. Now the transition function would be this way, it represents state bar input. So input is only A, so your input, the language input can contain a strings comprises character A. So only one input, and here you write rows you must write with the number of states, the right states. So 1 and 2 states. So now 1 on A goes where? To a state 2. 2 on A goes where? To a state 2. So now let's consider another example to recognize A star. Since it is A star, the minimum length string this language is going to accept is epsilon. So we can have state 1, and this need to be an accepting state, and since it is many A's, so this that is A, so we can take a self loop on 1 itself. So this is the simplest FSM. So if it is epsilon, it just reach to a start state, however without reading any input. Otherwise many A's, it takes a self loop for 1A, 2A and so on. Let's write a transition table for that. So quintuple always I have already written K sigma is, it contains only one input, that is character, that is A, the string, then delta start state 1, accepting state also 1. So you can see here start state itself is an accepting state. Transition table is 1 on A is 1.